Yo, everybody. Hey, Simeon here with Aim High Photography. Hey, guys, I got my Atomos TX mounted on my Nikon Z8. Let me show it to you guys. Guys, this is it right here. Guys, this is my go-to camera rig. Oh man, guys, this is it. The Nikon Z8, the 24-70 2.8 first edition, by the way, first edition. So it still has the actual zoom, right? It's not internal, but you know what? That's okay. All right. Yeah, got the Atomos TX here on the top. Got my GoPro Hero 13. Got my small rig VB212 battery. Guys, this is it. Let me show you the Atomos. Guys, this is it. This is the Atomos. Guys, we're looking at the backside of the Atomos TX. So yeah, you can record. So like this is let me get that HDMI cable out the way for you guys. All right, yeah. So this here is the camera that's shooting me. That's the Nikon Z7 II. All right. Got a GoPro Hero 13 on that. Atomos Shinobi 2 on it. Small rig BB99 Pro battery on it. But guys, this camera, the Nikon Z8 with the Atomos TX, yeah, you can record. So I can record internally on the Atomos TX 1500 nits. Guys, it is the best camera monitor and recorder that you can get, right? Guys, this is it. It's not too big, not too small. Yeah, it does all the little extras that I don't even know about. You know, all this, what do you have? Oh, it's not showing. It's only showing the camera. Okay, so you can't see the waveforms. But you know what? Yeah, you can. You know what? We're gonna make you see it. There we go. You can see it now. Look at that. All right. So you got that there. What is this? Let's turn one off. Turn this on. Got focus peaking. See how it's in red? All right. Let's see what else. Let's see what else we got here. I don't know. Some kind of scopes. I don't know, guys, but I'm going to grow into it. That's the whole purpose of this. You guys, you got to learn. What do you think? Yeah, this is my camera rig. Like I said, not too big, not too small. This here, depending on what I'm doing, I could swap out the VB212 for like the 99 Pro, you know, where it's not as big. I got one here, got one here in the closet. All right, so I could swap it out, you know what I mean? Make it a little bit lighter. But if I'm going to be gone long or something like that, traveling, nope, I want this because this VB99 Pro battery is powering up the Atomos TX. It's supplying power just in case I get low on the Nikon Z8, because you know, guys, the Nikon Z8 is not the best battery power, right? It's also supplying power for my GoPro Hero 13. So yeah, and then if I need to charge up like a cell phone or something like that, or my wife's cell phone or something like that, guys, we got enough power with 14,400 milliamp hours coming out of the VB212. Let me know what you think about my Nikon Z8, the Atomos TX. Yeah, I didn't even mention they got two HDMIs, one in, one out, two SDIs, whatever they do. I think they're like kind of like the HDMI, pretty much cable. Maybe a little bit more reliable for like the cinema cameras and stuff like that. 3 USB-C ports, and once again, 1500 nits, and they can record. Guys, I'm set. Please comment, like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Simeon, yo.